I just pull out the treat and he salivates already. So like if you put your, if I had my shoe underneath his mouth, when I pull out the treat, it would be soaked, I think. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start. I'm gonna give you guys some information to help you guys understand some of the issues with our food and stuff like that. But it's like when I'm looking at Henry, see, I don't know. How does he eat the same food every day? Henry, how do you eat the same food every day? You never count calories, but you somehow stay in perfect shape. Meanwhile, us humans are over here struggling, you know, with weight loss and health issues. The truth is that most people are failing. They're not failing because they're lazy, but it's because they just keep making the same mistakes over and over again, right? So today we're going to fix that. Let's talk about the 5 biggest mistakes stopping you from losing weight. Mistake number 1. A lot of people think that they can starve themselves to lose weight. It slows down your metabolism. It makes you feel miserable and leads to binge eating. And you're going to lose muscle, not just fat. You're going to want to make sure you're eating enough protein to fuel your muscles, okay? You want to focus on real, whole food, not just low-calorie junk, okay? Follow a sustainable eating plan, not one of them crash diets, right? A lot of people make those mistakes, right? They think that, oh, I'm gonna just not eat or, follow some crash diet that it's gonna get you hooked on their products. If it works at all, you're still gonna be hooked on the products forever. You have to eat them forever. So I'm gonna show you on this channel, I'm showing you how you can do it without dealing with those people, because they're gonna make money on you. They're making millions of dollars on people. You think you can lose weight? Yeah, you can, but you're losing all the muscle and you're losing a lot of the nutrients, and you're losing. It's harming your body. So, mistake number 2: thinking cardio is the answer to everything. Well, that's a problem because if you're just doing cardio, you're gonna burn some calories, but you're not really gonna build the muscles. Right? It can increase hunger, leading to overeating. And then also strength training burns more fat long term. Add some strength training, right, to your workouts 2 to 3 days a week. Okay? I usually do about 4 days a week of strength training, and then I do 1 day, or actually I do about 5 days. High intensity workouts, high intensity interval training, HIIT workouts, those are good. You can try those. I have a video about that. You should watch all my videos because they are life-changing, about food, exercise, longevity. Muscle is a secret weapon to long-term fat loss, okay? Running and for an hour just to earn that donut, there's a better way. Focus on body composition, not just weight loss. Okay? So you want to build your body, get it stronger. The key takeaway is that muscle is a secret weapon to long-term fat loss. Mistake number 3: ignoring strength training because it's intimidating. Getting the muscles pumped, right, and then burning some of the fat. You're not going to look as bulky as you would. And then mistake number 4, right? This is probably the biggest one though, having no plan. Because with no plan, you have no consistency, and then you have no results. Hoping for results without a plan is like trying to bake a cake with no recipe. It's not gonna go well. So the problem is that, without a plan, you have no structure, then you have no progress. Random workouts equals random results. Inconsistency equals wasted effort. But instead, what you can do, right, is you can follow a real program like I have on here, and mine it's all free. You don't even have to pay for it. All you gotta do is start it. I'm taking away all the thinking for you guys, right? I'm taking away the thinking. All you have to do is follow the plan, follow the video. There's a video with each workout too. So if you look at all the workouts, I have weight loss, I have strength training, I have food plans for everybody, all age groups, everybody. So you can get started now. All you have to do is just start following the plan. I have a shopping list on there so you can know what to eat, what not to eat, right? So I set it all up for you guys, right? Just the way I would like it if I was starting, right? So I'm trying to help you guys through what I've learned through technology, you know, through my experience, through knowledge, through database research, you know, how to be successful. There is a science behind it, but it's not rocket science, right? So you gotta make sure you are tracking your progress, the workouts and your progress. Just track them, write them down. Okay, I made this little goal today. I made this gain, right? And then where I've lost this many pounds, right? And I can see the consistency, I can see why. And then, you know, like I said, you got to stay consistent, but not perfect, right? Consistency is the key, okay? You're not going to be perfect. I'm not perfect, never am. In anything, right? I think I am, but I'm not, right? I'm trying to be, but I'm not, right? So, going to the gym without a plan is like going to the grocery store shopping hungry, right? You'll just grab whatever looks good and regret it later. So, key takeaway, just like I have in my video, show up with a plan. Results don't happen by accident. My recommendation to start, you can follow, like I said, my food plans and my exercise programs. You can follow that stuff. Like I said, it's all downloadable. I don't know if I mentioned that in this video, but it's all down. You can download it. You can literally print it up right now, and you can just get going. But please subscribe to my channel. So the last part here is that you can start off with 2 to 5 sessions per week and what you're trying to accomplish, right? Maybe start off with 2 strength training sessions. That's all, okay? Minimal effort for maximum results, right? To start it out. You can do like just 10 exercises, key ones, right? And like I said, if you look at my workout, you can watch my video. I have a video of I'm doing my chest, my triceps, and my shoulders. And then I have another video where I do my back, and then I do my legs. But the thing about those are what I pretty much do for working out. I built up to that level. You can take those and tailor them down to your level. You don't have to do them all, you know. But then also I do have a beginner workouts on here that you can just download and start. You can start up by, you know, stretching, warming up with some stretching exercises. I have a stretching routine on here. And then you can just do that for like 10 minutes, right? You can ride the bike for like 10 more minutes or 5 minutes, right? Just to start. I'm talking about like half an hour, 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes in the gym. That's it, just to start. Maybe 2, 3 times, 4 times a week, right? And so basically, that way it'll be more easier to follow for you to start, and then you're gonna start building muscle and burning fat. And then, you know, anybody can start this, you know, at any fitness level. So a lot of people say they don't have the time. Well, this will give you the time. You're only gonna start 2 days a week, or you can even go to 4 days a week, right? You don't need all those hours in the gym, right? Just a smart plan. And you can also do workouts at home. I have a home workout on there, I put on there. You don't have to follow the whole thing, just do part of it, you know? Or you can do the whole thing. Mine's all about strength training. Actually, what you'll notice too with me is that I do a lot of push-ups and pull-ups because I've hurt my legs. You know, I've had bad knees. So I've learned how to just do other things. So you don't have to always focus on your knees or your upper body or your lower upper body. You can focus on which one is healthy at the time. And that's what I always do. So, like I said, I hurt my shoulder, so then I was working on my legs a lot, right? But now my calf is hurt. It's actually getting better now, but so I'm not doing my legs at all. And then the final thing, before we finish, let me just go for the 5th mistake that people make is that, you know, we're relying on motivation instead of discipline. You know,
you gotta have habits. You gotta build these habits. You gotta discipline yourself to make the habit. It's gonna take some days to do it. And then you just tell yourself, that's why I go to the gym almost every day, because I'm like, I don't wanna stop going. Because I know what happens. You get lazy, next thing you know, you haven't went for a month and you're like, uh-oh. So, motivation is great, but it won't always be there when you need it, okay? So motivation comes and goes. Without discipline, you quit when it gets hard. You gotta follow through and finish, right? Always finish everything. That's the key to life, pretty much, right? And small, daily habits will build success, okay? So set non-negotiable goals. There's no excuses. You should watch my video about, no excuses, following through, and stuff like that. And then celebrate your progress. Reward yourself, right? Not just the end goal, right? The little progress every week. And then discipline is greater than motivation. So the key takeaway is that successful people don't rely on motivation, they rely on habits. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. And then make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.